The Honeywell Home Standard Heat-Cool Manual Thermostat comes with a relatively simple design that offers peak performance. This mercury-free thermostat features precise temperature control for both heating and cooling systems. The simple controls offer you a free-of-clutter experience, making temperature control quick and easy. The slider on the bottom of the thermostat allows you to adjust what temperature you'd like your home to be, ranging between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The switch on the right lets you alternate between heat and cool modes, while the switch on the left lets you control the fan in your system. This thermostat can be utilized with central oil heating, electric furnaces, and central electric cooling. The Honeywell Home Standard Heat-Cool Manual Thermostat comes with a 1-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.